Hi everyone. Right, I'm just going to share this kit with you. This is the one, it's just come in and Tattie's done these for me. And there's only, I think it's 4 or 5. Oh, sorry, can't remember how many. I think it's 5. Possibly. I think they're all the same. And I'm going to go, they are pink theme, pink colour. So what I'm going to do is going to show you. She's put in some organza pink. So I'm just going to pop this to the side and then put everything on top. You're getting some of this ribbon, Rosie's ribbon. And that is, I'm sorry, I got this out to have a look at. And I thought, God, I forgot, I've got to film it. Wired ribbon. You've got one of these, that way, thimble upside down. You've got some laces and trims in here. That's quite nice, that. Some cording. Flowers. There's various flowers in it. Some tassel trim. That's quite a nice one as well. I like it's twisted. And there's quite a nice piece of that. But it's all for your scrapbooking. Because I'm going to do more and more scrapbooking kits. Satin ribbon. Some trim like that. This one, which we've sold many, many times. The webbing. You've got some of those. Some lace. Again, another one that we sell. This one, of course, we sell. So you've got lots of that. Oh, my shoulder and back's killing me. And this one is where I buy mine. I get mine from Tattie. And then we have it in the shop. A nice one, that. And then she's put these in. And they're like that washable, but they're great for products, you know, for, you've got 2 like doily things. Bit of gauze, because scrapbooking kits you have all sorts. Tassel, one of those. Some handmade bits, like little bags. Playing card. Tickets. The scrapbooking bits. Tissue. Stickers. Piece of this. I think that's one she bought when she was here. One of those. It's been made up. Buttons. Little bits that are already made, ready for you. This is for people who have never done it before. You just do lots of different things like this and make up your own. Metalwork. More flowers. These are them lilies, calla lilies. Some more flowers here. And we've got some here. Paper clip. The leaves we use, I'm going to get them back in. Bling bling. Keys. You can put a little stud in there. Some flower trim that you can cut up. Sequin. Some of the rope. Cameo. Tattie's handmade flower. She does that one. Another one made up, see? You just, lots of little things in there. And you just make your own up. Another flower. Bling bling. Wooden flowers. Some nice buttons. Yellow buttons, I noticed those as well, on a letter A. Because you put a bit of this in and a bit of that in. Music sheet. Some doilies, paper doilies. Card cut. Envelopes for you to play around with. Coloured paper. Tea stained, I think. Coffee stained. Vellum. Some more vellum. Journaling. Grease proof. Because you can stamp on it all. It's and some of the maths paper. But you've got this in. Now I know this is a rarity because Tattie said so. Is the Braille. And she's put this in. Braille. Which is fantastic for journaling. And you've got a whole 2 pages of that. And that's your kit in that. And it comes in the box you can alter as well. So, I'm just going to lay this back in here. And I think that's a really good kit. Just trying to pack it all back in properly. I don't want to lose anything. And then I can lay everything on top. So I think it's 4 or 5. I think it's 5 there was in the box. And I've just put some more doilies, not doilies, applique kits up as well. Because they're doing really well. And if you haven't bought them, go grab them. Especially these as well. The scrapbooking kit that I did, the original one, I put 9 up, I think with 1 left. And then I did the big 4 £20 ones. I mean, they're heaving with stuff. They really are. And we've only got 1 left. So if you haven't bought them, I suggest you do. If you can, obviously. Because there's heaps in them. Lots of different things. I'm just going to see if I can pop this in without damage. I don't want to damage anything. That's the problem. Now these will come boxed like this, taped up, and I'll make sure they're all taped up so that nothing gets out. But I think I'll bag these bits up as well. But these came in a big box from Tattie, so there was no need to bag them up after that. But that is the kit, and I love it. Absolute gorgeous kit. Lots in there for you to play around with. Lots. There's another button. Like that. And then that on top. And that'll be in the shop in the next 10 minutes. Please give us feedback on these kits because it's nice. You know, if there's anything you particularly want in a kit, for a scrapbooking kit, you know, let me know. I've got tons and tons of stuff here for the shop that we can put in. Lots of goodies. Just let me know. If there's anything in particular you'd like a kit doing. If you want me to do you a pink kit, all white kit, all cream kit. If you want me to do you a mixed kit, lace kit, mixed embellishment kit, tell me. And then I can get them done for you. We are more than happy to oblige and give you whatever we sell. Whatever's in the shop, we can put that in a kit. Alright? And sort out a price. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have fun scrapping. We're on lockdown for another 4 weeks. You got to do something. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I'll speak to you all soon. And bye-bye for now.